Hello! I just wanted to talk about pliers today, and specifically the Victorinox pliers. Come on a few models like the Deluxe Tinker, the Cyber Tool, the Handyman, the Swiss Champ, etc. A few models have these, and I think they're massively underrated and can come in so useful. Pliers are an essential tool, aren't they? You can only get so much grip, power, torque and precision in your fingertips, and in situations where these aren't going to be enough, you need a set of pliers and nothing else will do really. A lot of people obviously love and carry the Knipex pliers. These are fantastic, or you can get other small pliers on like the Leathermans or the Next Tool tools. They're pretty decent really, they're alright, but I'm a massive fan of Victorinox knives, and I always EDC a Victorinox knife, and I found these so useful. They get slated a bit as being like mega tweezers, and if you want to think of them as mega tweezers, then think of them as mega tweezers, because they're brilliant. They're so precise. They do allow you more power and torque than your fingers can provide. Felix Imler has done a great video on uses for the pliers. Check that one out. But yeah, I just wanted to show these some love and talk about a few specific examples where these have just been absolutely perfect. For example, I do quite a bit of modification on my guitars and things, changing pickups and electronics, stuff like that, and these are just perfect for getting into really tight little control cavities, for pulling out wires and stuff like that, grabbing components, and then for holding wires for soldering. They're just perfect because they're so fine and precise. You're not going to be doing that with your fingertips, not going to be doing that with a big pair of Knipex or even these. They just can't always get into the spaces. They've saved me a ton of hassle sorting out my medications, a load of little pills in little individual day slots. I made a mistake recently and put the wrong pills in the wrong parts, and they're just so fine and precise. I was able to pick out the wrong pills and put them in the right place. Just dead handy. My car's fuse box is really difficult to get to. They've put it in a really awkward place, and these were just perfect for reaching in, removing a blown fuse and then putting a new fuse in there. Again, none of my other stuff that I had, none of my other tools would do the job, but this was just perfect. My bicycle had two punctures in the same tyre that I had to repair recently, and the two little tiny thorns that were in the tyre, they were so small and so far in that my other pliers just could not grab them. But this little fella, just perfect. So precise, pushed it in, whipped the little buggers out, and was able to repair my puncture, no problem. And last year my missus managed to break off the garage door key in the lock, and I couldn't get it out. I tried quite a few little different things, couldn't reach the key, the broken part of the key. So out came the Deluxe Tinker, and I was able to get these tweezers in one side of the lock to push the broken key out just enough so that then I could reach the very tip of the broken key with these and just pull out the broken key. Saved me a right headache and a fair bit of money. Perfect. These can be used for just very small tasks, for turning really tiny bolts and nuts and things. No big stuff, but for little stuff, these are so useful. Something I've discovered the other day as well, only recently. Pliers can be used as like a little mini clamp or vise. You put an object that you want to clamp into the jaws there and lower the pliers into place. That'll hold your item securely on there. Say if you want to do some gluing, I guess, or again some soldering, anything, or painting. Maybe you've got something really tiny and needed to paint it. There you go, you've got a mini clamp, a mini vise. That's really cool, I think. Great. So yeah, Victorinox pliers. If you're carrying a fantastic pocket knife anyway with a ton of tools, I think this is a really great and worthy addition. And I use these really often and I really rate them. They're brilliant. They're not going to replace full-size pliers for certain jobs, but for other jobs, these are just perfect. What do you think, guys? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.